Welcome to the ProVide server instruction videos. In this video, we will show how to install ProVideLink. ProVideLink is a small syncing software that lets you edit files at the source using ProVide server. Unlike most competitors such as SharePoint and Dropbox, ProVideLink and ProVide server lets you edit any document or any file type that has been allowed by your administrators. To install ProVideLink, choose a file and select Edit. ProVide server will now wait for ProVideLink connection, and if this connection is not received, it will show a window where you have the opportunity to install ProVideLink. So I click the ProVideLink MSI installer, select Run. The application is installed. Now I choose OK, and now I can choose to edit any document type or any file type directly from the web interface using the default application on my local computer. You can, of course, also opt to have your friendly system administrator push the installation to all your clients. This ends this video on how to install ProVideLink.